here we have the 1023E. We just talked about the 1025R and some of the differences between the two tractors. On this particular tractor, we've got the 60D AutoConnect deck. You do have a 54-inch option as well on the 1023E and the 1025R. This has also got the auto PTO, mid-PTO connector, which makes this much easier to take on and off. Don't have to get up underneath the tractor and hook up a PTO shaft. When you drive over it, it automatically connects. There's been a few changes in the last year or two on the disconnection of this one. It used to be kind of a single release point that got both sides. They've upgraded that, beefed it up a little bit, nothing wrong with it, the old one, but this one's just a little bit better, and you've got to go from each side, but it should be as easy as you come down and release that lever, and at that point, after you've released your anti-scalp rollers, so that deck can set on the ground. You've released your levers there. You would get on the tractor at this point. Make sure you're in the install or remove selection here of your height of cut is going to be here. Make sure you're in four-wheel drive, which is going to be the lever right here. And at that point, you're going to start the tractor, and then we've got it set up on the 3-point that's going to raise and lower the mower deck. At that point, you're just going to back on off the mower deck.